Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix battery draining fast on your iPhone. So guys, solution 1. Open the settings apps on your iPhone. Open the settings page and scroll down. Now tap on General. Tap on Software Update. So guys, make sure that your iPhone software update if not updated. So guys, first of all update your iPhone software. Solution 2. Open the settings apps on your iPhone. On the settings page and scroll down. Now tap on General and tap on Background Apps Refresh. Tap on Background Apps Fresh and off option select it. After this go back. Solution 3. Then restart your device so your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.